Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So I'm approaching my 12th year in business by myself as chief cook and bottle washer. Would I do it again? Probably, but I might have hired some help on. Anyway, so it's really funny this time of year. You get in January, you can either be busy, you can't keep up with it, or it's slow. And it's not just with me, it's with everyone. The dealerships, other independents. You talk to the tool guys, the Snap-on tool guys, whoever that deliver or sell you tools. Oh yeah, it's slow everywhere, And the parts deliverers for the different parts stores. Yeah, it's been slow. They sent me home yesterday because there wasn't any parts to deliver. So, take advantage of this time of year. If you put things off, like your state inspection, if you live in a state where you have state inspection. In New Hampshire, you can do it 3 months early. But you really can't put a finger on it. It's the funniest thing. It's not just you, it's everyone. It's slow. And then it picks up, and you can't keep up with it. And you're booking a week and a half, 2 weeks out. If you're one of those shops that book 3 weeks out, God bless you. But, I just don't understand it. The phone doesn't ring. If I leave the shop and go somewhere, I come back, there's a message. If I go to the bathroom, the phone rings. And then if I take the phone into the bathroom with me, it doesn't ring. It's kind of like when you wash your car and a bird craps on it. You know what I mean? It just doesn't make sense. But now if you got maintenance due or state inspection, take advantage of it early on if you can. Now, what could play a role in it as well is people are getting their credit card bills from Christmas and everything else. And but things are going to get better. But still, they're not really buying a lot of new cars. They're fixing up their old clunkers, which keeps me busy. But overall, it's been pretty good here. But if you're thinking about starting your own shop, go for it. But if you're someone who maxes out credit cards all the time and carries a balance, I wouldn't recommend it. You're just gonna get over your head. But my grandfather told me years ago, he says, you want to start your own business, the secret to it is don't spend more money than you make. Now that's common sense, that's old school, right? We can talk about profit margins and everything else, but what do you need to make a living? How much do you need to make a living? Everybody has different goals, more, and then that's still not enough. Then you've got a never-ending appetite. Me, I started my own shop because I needed to reduce the stress in my life. Working flat rate for a dealership, it takes its toll on you, and I know I'm talking to guys out there right now that know exactly what I'm talking about. And I remember when I first started out, straight time, and then flat rate was introduced. That's when NHADA came in, and they were showing us videos on how to prevent back injuries. Now, it was costing the dealership money, or what other establishment, it was costing them money. That's why they had insurance companies come in and say, hey, lift properly, wear eye protection, hearing protection, all that. No, you got to have someone tell you that, right? Today. But, yeah, so I guess be grateful for what you have. And I am very grateful. I've done things over the years to keep myself as healthy as possible. But, life happens, and if you're out there twisting wrenches and busting your butt, it's not worth getting hurt over. Take your time, seriously. You don't want to lose an eye or finger or worse, whatever. But Anyway, so yeah, enough blabbering for me. I'm gonna be putting some more videos out there, a little longer than this, more informative for you. Give me some ideas in the comment section below. Let me know what you might want to, hear from me, and I'll do my best to throw something together. They're not going to be these stimulating videos. I'll do the best I can, but I just started my YouTube channel because I've gotten so much help from so many creators out there over the years. I want to give something back, whether it be to an experienced technician or somebody who knows nothing at all about automotive repair. All right, till next time, if you want to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, that would be really cool. Have a great night. Talk to you later.